Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson DC19. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson DC19 is making funny smells while cleaning, it's likely an indication of a blockage or a problem with the filters. Over time, dirt and dust can accumulate, causing the motor to overheat and emit unpleasant odors. If left unaddressed, this issue could lead to more severe damage to your vacuum, potentially resulting in a complete breakdown. To tackle this issue effectively, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, replacement filters, and a new power plug. First, ensure your Dyson DC19 is unplugged to avoid any electrical hazards. Begin by carefully removing the casing. Locate the screws on the underside of the machine and use your Phillips screwdriver to remove them. Be sure not to strip the screws, applying gentle pressure as you turn. Once the screws are out, gently pry the casing apart, being cautious not to damage any clips or plastic components. Next, identify the faulty component, which is likely the power plug or the filters. The filters can often be found near the motor housing. If you see discoloration or damage, it's time for a replacement. To extract the filters, simply pull them out with your hands. If you're replacing the power plug, follow the wires leading from the plug to the internal circuit board. Disconnect any cables carefully using your flathead screwdriver to release the connectors. It's important to avoid excessive force here to prevent damaging surrounding components. Once you have removed the faulty parts, insert the new filters or the new power plug in the same orientation as the old ones. Reconnect any cables you previously disconnected, ensuring they are securely attached. Now, carefully place the casing back on, ensuring that all clips are aligned and that the screws can be easily reinserted. Reattach the screws, ensuring they are tight but not overly so, to avoid stripping the holes. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from occurring again, regularly check and clean your filters. It's also wise to perform routine maintenance on your Dyson DC19 to keep it functioning optimally. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.